Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's top 5 news by The Hindu, brought to you by Orfiki. My name is Amrit and let's begin. आज के हमारे पहले न्यूज में इंडिया हैज abstained from a very crucial vote on Sri Lanka's rights record at the United Nations Human Rights Council in Geneva. The resolution, which was on promoting reconciliation, accountability, and human rights in Sri Lanka, was, however, adopted after 22 states of the 47 members voted in its favor. Sri Lanka earlier, what they had done was they were quick to reject the United Nations move to collect and preserve evidence of war crimes in the country committed by the armed forces and the LTTE. And the ministries in Sri Lanka said that this could not be done without the acceptance of the government of Sri Lanka, and the money allocated for the fighting war efforts would be used towards providing housing for war affected people. Coming over to our second news, बीजेपी ने ये प्रॉमिस किया है दैट दे आर गोइंग टू रिलीज अ करेक्टेड वर्जन ऑफ द नेशनल रजिस्टर ऑफ सिटीजन, बट दे हैव अवॉइडेड एनी रेफरेंसेस टू द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ द सिटीजन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट एंड क्लॉज 6 ऑफ द आसाम अकॉर्ड्स. अब आपको ये पता होगा दैट आसाम वॉज द फर्स्ट स्टेट टू अपोज द CAA as protesters said that it violated the spirit of the 1985 आसाम अकॉर्ड्स. अगर आपको आसाम अकॉर्ड्स के बारे में नहीं पता है देन आई वुड स्ट्रांगली सजेस्ट कि आप उसके बारे में पढ़ें. एंड क्लॉज 6 ऑफ द आसाम अकॉर्ड गारंटीज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सेफगार्ड्स फॉर द इंडिजिनियस कम्युनिटीज. एंड बीजेपी ने जब अपना ये नया मैनिफेस्टो रिलीज किया है गुवाहाटी में, तब उन्होंने ये कहा है दैट द करेक्टेड वर्जन वाज टू एनलिस्ट जेन्युइन इंडियन सिटीजन्स व्हाइल आइडेंटिफाइंग इलीगल माइग्रेंट्स and residents who could not guarantee or who could not produce any citizenship claim. Coming over to some international events, Afghanistan's President Ashraf Ghani has proposed a new presidential election, which he said will take place in the coming 6 months under a peace plan that he is going to put forward. Now this proposal of conducting an election, this is actually a counter offer to the US proposal, where the US suggested that Ashraf's elected government to be replaced by an interim administration. The Union Cabinet has decided that citizens above the age of 45, irrespective of comorbidities, they are now eligible for the COVID-19 vaccination, and this would start from 1st April. This decision was taken by the Union Cabinet on advice from the COVID task force, and also because of the growing number of cases of COVID-19 across many states. India was able to capture another gold thanks to some amazing shooting by Angad Veer Singh Bajwa and Ganimat Sekhon, who won the mixed skeet event, beating Kazakhstan 33-29 in the shooting World Cup at Dr. Karni Singh Range on Tuesday. And for today's homework reading, I would like to suggest 2 articles. The first one being where the officials from Afghanistan, they are suggesting that Delhi should have a bigger role in the peace process that is now ongoing in Afghanistan. And the second article being the 116th round of the Permanent Indus Commission between India and Pakistan. That is all from our side. We'll meet you again tomorrow.